Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to extract characters from the given input string. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server Development, performance tuning, and Power BI, and also tags like SQL Server Integration Service also, so that you will get more understanding on different technologies. Now we'll go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have prepared the script for today's demo purpose. So I will try to explain each and every step of what I am doing here is. So in last video, I have explained how to extract numbers from the given input string. But in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to get the characters from the given input string. We'll see that step by step. So for example, if you look at here is, so this is my input string. So as for my requirement, I want to extract only the characters from this input string. So in that case, I need to eliminate 9, 9, 2. Okay, so except these numbers, I need to extract only characters. So for achieving this requirement, so I have declared few variables. So count is another one variable and another one is int number. So for setting the values for declaring the count, I have initialized 0 and int number. So by default I have the empty string. By using the while loop, I'm trying to iterate. So each character wise I'm finding, so whether it is in between 1 and 9. So based on that I'm doing the conditional check. Here is, if you look at the code, here is, if substring, what are the input string I'm passing, and count. So from 0 1, so what are the string, what are the character we are extracting if it is not between 1 and 9. So I'm trying to validate all the numbers. Here is, if it is not means, then I'm trying to concatenate. Here is in this final variable. So whatever variable I have declared, there I'm just trying to concatenate row by row. So it means that character by, because it's a while loop. Okay, like that I have written the script. So first we'll try to execute and we'll see whether it is working or not. So just execute it. Yeah, now you can see that. So we have removed the numbers, only the extracting characters from the given input string. For example, in case if I am not concatenating, here is what will happen. We will try to see that. So I'm just removing. Now I'll try to execute one more time. Execute. Now you can see that what we are getting, only we are getting yes, because what are the last iteration, so that character only we are getting, because we are not concatenating, we are not appending, so while executing each character wise. So that is the reason we must add this for getting the full string. Now if you try to execute one more time, so we will get, so what are the expected output we will get. Okay, so this is only for, so if you give the one input string, for example in real time we'll get some columns. So from that columns we need to extract characters and all. So in that case, what are the code we have executed here, same code we'll try to keep it in the user defined function. From that function we can call, so we can use it wherever you want. Okay, so I'll try to replace this code inside the function. So based on that we'll try to understand what will happen. So for that I have created one function, create function name. So I'm passing input parameter, so and returning the varchar. So because it's returning the varchar only, so as begin. So I have kept entire code, what are the code I have executed here, same thing I'm keeping here also. And finally I'm returning the, so final variable. Okay, so let me execute this function. Okay, command complete successfully. Now I will try to validate, so whether it is working or not, we'll try to see that. So select tvo dot function name. So what is the function name? We'll try to check. So string extract, copy. So we'll try to pass one input parameter. So a b c, we can give any number, that's not an issue. Okay, we'll try to see this one. so whether it is working or not. Now you can see that only it is giving the characters only, it is removing the numbers. So 3 4 3 3, so it's not there. So it means that the function also working as we expected. So now what I'm going to do here is I'll try to create some temporary table. Within the temporary table I'll insert some dummy rows. So from that we can call this function in the select statement, so that we'll get to know that how to integrate in the select statement the user defined function and all. Okay, for that purpose I am creating one temporary table. So let me execute this one. So 3 rows are affected successfully. I'll try to fire a select statement. Select star from temp table. Just click on execute. Now you can see that 3 rows are there. So from these 3 rows we'll try to get only the characters. So for that, so I have written the script. So select star, so I'm calling this function db.string extract. Here instead of passing the hard-coded value, I'm trying to call the column name from this table. So whatever the temp table is there, in the temporary table, I have the number list column. So I'm trying to call this. Now you can see that. So we got the expected output from this column. We are just extracting only the characters. From this row also extract characters. So it is working as we expected. We can insert a number of rows also, there is no problem on that. If you want, we will try to insert one row so we can see that whether it is working or not. So we can enter any data, caps also, no problem. So just click on execute. So one row affected. Now I'll try to execute one more time. We'll see that whether it is affecting or not. Just click on execute. Now you can see that. So this is the, if you want, I'll try to copy. So if you don't want to see that, here we can see clearly. From this input string we are extracting only, so C D E R D F A, yeah, it's giving as we expected. So like this we can write the script and so now you can use this function wherever you want. So we can use multiple places. For example, if you want to do any change, so we can do it in the function, it reflect automatically without doing any changes. So in the select statement and all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.